Hello, kamra chamuri nawa. Amo mundu mbathoro kupwena. Nune mbipwena kwa thiwa toho shinene, which is a bad habit. Or don't do too much caffeine amorotu. It's not a very good thing. Mea kupure puriru. Shimbaka mburo kwa thiwa nchi. Pino pela mbano. Ekamburo panado. Panado mbapa marina panado nini. Ekamburo panado etfamo kwa thiwa nchi. Ekambura o aspirin. Etfamo kotomwe. Edunga. And then epahokunwa. How do you think this is gonna affect my body? It's like a bomb, no? Ogusha, it's not very healthy. So tunopele mwekongandanji tunwa, which has these 3 ingredients. Okothi ino caffeine, which opelanji no caffeine. O opanato ino o paracetamol. And then o aspirin, it's aspirin. No, ino require like to explain it better. Marinambi vi mix wanu, although vi hanwa monodo your pocket like half an aspirin, half paracetamol, and then half of the normal cup of coffee or caffeine. Onanji ya dorwa I mix wa mumwe, and then it's crushed, and then it's sold mabastora detu. Hako kushopela njo opeleni. Grandpa. O grandpa shwales o grandpa kudavi, it has triple effect. Shimui hamo shuru, shimui hamo yo, shimui hamo kutfi, shamwa shinauri, shimui hamwa. Panado, like, grandpa is the best painkiller that we have. And it's because it has 3 ingredients that are so strong. No, onawo kungritha oiri njonjimo nunu, and njimui hamwa. It's very good. Onu, and then it numbs the pain. Kofulo o mui hamo mborukwa, which is good. Pothia nambano, ferala mwandu vetu mbwa nene, o tate no mama mbwa nene. Omundu penu kirako panado aiko grandpa oriri. Why? Because caffeine, which you find in coffee, ponji tuwala jitu njimunika mukothiwa. Ona nji hita morutu shohena yuto kupaha, orutu ruto kupaha. So it becomes, you are becoming addicted to caffeine. You're becoming addicted to something that numbs the pain. So shoheno grandpa morutu, if you drink it every day, orutu ruto kupaha. So how does that look like? Mdushia shairiro kuno o grandpa nuke nayo usha utokudedero matupa okuhamo shuru okurukutura. The same thing that we say shino mulungu paparathe na oriri. So o grandpa ombwa when you follow instructions. Mara mena usha ino vingi mumwe bia mixwa, which is very strong. Shungrithe yuvari upendukira kopo shimo garara mutho kunwa, then you are addicted. Po wa verschlaf lumba nene vihingro shimburuji es verschlaf con grandpa. No mena ushavi ino vina vitatu ovi sterka no shiri to kuto kengeda. Mena ushavi kudavi shimo, if you want to hide something from someone, just put it in front of their face. We will miss it. Yo pela mbara mengu ta pain pela. Potungino upaki opela ukanuna, please read the instructions. Katurogu lesson. Most of the time, katu listen. It's too much work. Me hamatupa na opela. Umokavi no apela imwe every 12 hours over numbari. That is over the dose that you are supposed to drink. On dose just drink once or wakanwa twice. That is an overdose. And an overdose can kill you. Na? Oju overdose, ika effect o mapunga where it causes your body to go into a lockdown if you don't have this medication. Ogush harikane. Kadufero guleso with ovopela and tomatupewa. Pura no shuri ponga ushavi hapono pelanji. How am I supposed to drink it? Shina shidura ushavi shuri quantibiotica kufero gunu shikari. Because it has a different effect, no? So ask the doctors, show hena okay no kulesa. Pa homo numa no kulesa hapo numaku. How much should I drink? No hinweru ne hapo. Sharu nanjimeka ria odi momunyo. Mena ushavi munomwe kwa America. Obandu vairi okuno the pain pela. Mena ushavi either wari mumba uhauto powa watekero kuoko kusho opela njo shairi okuno opela njo shehena yo. Utiro kushavi atimba hanu ino opela njo kusha orudu maruka pa opela njo. Uya metoku na uriri. No, grandpa kaide panu. But it does. It affects our livers. It affects it. No mapunga wetu ka effect. Rikane honge now on grandpa cup. It's not very healthy. Okay? No meka kutoka no clip akaro hunga no theni. no theni. So watch out for my next clip. Peri now.